In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Office 365 with 1 TB of OneDrive storage in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process that will unleash a whole world of productivity tools and ample storage space for your documents and media. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone in need of efficient storage and office tools, this guide will walk you through every step. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft official website. It's important to head over to the trusted Microsoft domain to ensure you're getting a genuine product with all the features intact. Microsoft often provides different options and plans, so take your time to explore all the offerings. Once you're on their site, look for the option to purchase either Microsoft 365 Personal or Microsoft 365 Family. These packages come with various features, but most importantly, they both offer that coveted 1 TB of OneDrive storage. Don't rush this decision. Consider your storage needs and collaboration requirements. The Personal plan is perfect for single users, while the Family plan can accommodate multiple users, making it ideal if you have family members or you'd like to share the plan with friends. After choosing the plan that best suits your needs, proceed with the purchase. Microsoft usually provides clear instructions on how to complete this transaction smoothly. You might have to create or sign in with a Microsoft account during this process, which helps link your subscription directly to your profile. Keep an eye out for any special offers or discounts that might pop up, as these can often save you money and provide additional benefits. Upon successfully purchasing your subscription, Microsoft does all the magic behind the scenes. Your account automatically gets updated and you're granted 1 TB of OneDrive storage as part of your plan. This happens seamlessly without you having to take any further action on your part. OneDrive will now be ready to store all your files, from photos to work documents, ensuring easy accessibility across different devices wherever you are. Now, to double check that everything is set up correctly, head over to accountmicrosoft.com/services. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials and you should be able to confirm your subscription's active status and the availability of your storage space. Here, you'll also find other details related to your subscription, such as renewals and billing information. It's always a good idea to verify these to avoid any last-minute surprises. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to get Office 365 with 1 TB of OneDrive storage. With these tools now at your disposal, you can enjoy the seamless integration and increased productivity that Microsoft 365 provides. Thank you for joining, and happy exploring.